Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. Welcome to our morning message. We're going to start like we always do with our rules. So rule number 1 is to follow directions quickly, skipping over rules number 2 and 3 since we're learning at home right now. Rule number 4, make smart choices. Rule number 5, no whining. Rule number 6, be patient. Rule number 7 is to be kind. Awesome. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We have a lot to do this morning. All right, up in the top right-hand corner, we have our date. So 3 stands for March because it is the 3rd month in the year. So March, we put the number 3. Then we put that slash. And then we have the number 31 because today is March 31st. It's the last day of March. Tomorrow is going to be a new month. And then it is the year 2020. So we have the number 20 right there. All right, good morning. Today is Tuesday, March 31st. So let's go ahead and count to 31. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Awesome. That was counting by ones to 31. Let's practice our sight words and letter sounds. So let's start by practicing some of our sight words. I got to see some of you all on our conference call yesterday, and we practiced some sight words. That was awesome. If you didn't get a chance to be there, then I hope you will join the next one. All right, our first word is here. See if you can say them before me. See, get, look, on, it, am, like I am feeling happy, did, but, oopsies, go, in, they're flying this morning, put, saw, eat, we'll do just a few more, come, big, there, and again. Awesome. Let's do our letter sounds. Let's start with our vowels. Remember, vowels are super important because there's at least one vowel in every word. So knowing our vowel sounds is key to learning how to read. All right, let's get started with O. O, octopus, ah. And you can say the letter keyword sound after me as I point to it. E, ed, eh. A, apple, ah. I, itch, I. Sometimes to help remember that one, I pretend like there's something icky in between my fingers and I go I. You, up, All right, those are our vowel sounds. Let's do some of our letter sounds, and we'll have a couple diagrams thrown in there as well. All right. SH, ship, sh. L, lamp, oh. Your tongue should be on the top of your teeth. Oh, or excuse me, on the bottom of your teeth. Y, yellow, yeah. Like something is yucky. T, top, t. S, snake, s. R, rat, Q, queen, qua. Remember, Q always is with U. So if you hear that qua sound, you write down Q and U. They work together. B, bat, b. P, pan, p. N, nut, n. M, man, W, wind, w. Let's do just one more. J, jug, j. Good job, you guys. All right, let's look up here. I have a math problem. Can you help, that's 3 sight words in a row, me solve this math problem? So I put a question mark on the end because I'm asking you a question. Can you help me solve this math problem? There were 4 rainbows in the sky. All right, that's our first piece of information, and we just found out our first number, and that is the number 4. 3 of them disappeared. How many rainbows are left? So let's think. What information do we know? The first thing we need to figure out with a story problem is if we are adding, are we making a number bigger and adding it? Or are we subtracting? Are we taking something away? So if something has disappeared, that means there are less, there are fewer. So if 3 rainbows have disappeared, I know that this is going to be a subtraction problem. This is going to be a takeaway problem. Remember, our symbol for subtraction looks like this, a straight horizontal line, and I call him Linus the Minus. And I will put some links to some Linus the Minus songs below this video. So look at those links to learn more about Linus the Minus and subtraction problems. So there were 4 rainbows in the sky. So I'm just really quick. I drew some nice detailed rainbows here. Just on my whiteboard though, I can just draw anything to represent my 4 rainbows. 3 of them disappeared. So how I'm going to solve this is I'm going to put an X on top of 3 of my rainbows. 1, 2, 3. Okay, how many rainbows are left? So let's look. How many rainbows are left? That's right, there's 1 rainbow left. So I know that my answer is 1. Another way I could solve that is I could use my fingers. There are 4 rainbows in the sky. 3 of them have disappeared. So put down 1, 2, 3 fingers. How many are left? 1. I can also write a math equation, and I can write 4 take away minus 3 equals 1. So again, 4 take away 3 equals 1. Thank you for helping me solve that math problem. All right, let's have a good day. Love, Miss Arnold. Let's go ahead and end with our breathing and just checking in with how we feel this morning. So go ahead and take a big deep breath in and out, in and out, in and out. Giving a thumbs up if you are ready to go, ready to begin the day, sideways if you're not so sure, and a thumbs down if something is really wrong. If you're showing me a thumbs down right now, please make sure that you go and politely ask for whatever it is that you need, some water, to use the restroom, whatever it may be, so that you can get to work. Please go ahead and watch the next video where I'm going to be reading Dragons Love Tacos, and I have a writing prompt that I need your help answering. All right, everybody, have an awesome Tuesday, and I'll see you later.